Hi guys, Regina from Eat Travel Life, and I wanted to share with you making a birthday countdown box. You may be asking, what's a birthday countdown box? Let me explain. It's a box with a bunch of holes, and you put cups in it with numbers. And then there's a corresponding gift to that number. Now, we didn't have these when I was a kid, but my girl was like, hey mom, I need to have a birthday box because I need to count down my birthday because it's significant birthday. And so I was like, okay, what's that? And she explained to me that it's this box where you get gifts for every, um, however many years you are, you get to punch open a hole and get a gift. So yeah, I made one for her. Kind of like an advent calendar, and count down to the birthday. I just had the girl punch a random one, pick out a number, and then get a gift. The hardest part was finding the different gifts, and I went on clearance after Christmas and found a bunch of things for her. And she's been going through and opening the box and rolling her eyes at some of them, but that's okay. Um, the only thing I had to buy for this was the cups that I used and the box that everything came in. So you can see that. You're going to see where I made a mistake. I used too small of a box, and that was disappointing because it's a pain in the butt to cut all of those holes. So let me show you what we did, and she loves it. So that's the main point. So let's go ahead and check it out. So to make the box, what you've got to do is to make some circles, and these are 9-inch cups, and I just traced around all over, and I'm doing a 16 one, and this is only 12. So what I did was up on the lid I did 3 more, and then for the 16th one she'll just get the last gift. So let's go ahead and get started and cut. So I cut all of them and punched them all out and have massacred this box. I then tried to put them in, the cups in, and tore the box even more. So I have learned that you need a bigger box in order to do this. So let's try this again. So bigger box, I was able to get 16 holes in it, which is what I needed. I am avoiding the seam because that seam is the death of me, and I probably will have some problems here where I got a little close when those open. But let's just see how it goes with this box. All right, taking a break here, I want to show you what I ended up changing a little bit. Instead of just, doing an X between these and pushing it in, that's where I think the downfall is. What I found is when you cut the circle out, you're a little bit better at the ability to get the cup to stay in, and more stability on the box. I did find some problems here with this one, and I will just fix that with tape. And if you cut within the circle instead of the outside, because remember we drew and that made the outside of the lip, so we want to draw, you want to cut a little bit with inside that, or cut one of the sides a little bit different so that the cup will just sit in there. So let's go ahead and get this completed. However many years old you are is how many cups. So can you imagine having to cut cups for a 50-year-old? You can see on the inside that it's taped on the edges. I did tape this one cup down because it was really, really loose. And that is secured as well. So now it's time to wrap this thing up so that she can get her gifts. Make sure to put the numbers in and number them, or you'll have to undo everything, and that would be such a pain. Now we're going to wrap it up. Alright, so I have marked X's on the paper where the cups are so that we can punch through. And each one of those cups has a number in it, and then I took the gifts and I numbered them as well. So just save one of your boxes, and you can do this too for your kids and they will love it. I think little kids would just squeal over it. Teenagers, they don't squeal, they just look at you like, why'd you get me this? What's this gift? So yeah. She wants to count down. I'm just like, pick a gift. There you go. Enjoy. So that's what a birthday countdown box is. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.